So good afternoon all. Just we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let others also join the class. Okay. So good afternoon all. Am I audible? Is my voice is coming? On all of you comment in the comment section. Is my voice is coming? Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, fine. Thank you. So let us continue with our exercise 2.2. So in that they are given uh, question number 8 we are done. Let's go to the next question. 8 not question number 7 is over. Question number 8 question number 7 we are done in our class. Question number 8. Let's do question number 8. Question number 8 they are given three consecutive integers are such that three consecutive integers are such that when they are when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, they add up to 74. They add up to 74. Find the numbers. So this is the question. So three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find the numbers. So all of you take some time. The question, is it visible? I think the question is visible properly. Okay, fine. So all of you do it now. So first of all, we have to take the numbers, and we know that when they are given that it is a consecutive numbers, we have to take that number as x plus 1 and x plus 2. In the previous class itself, we have seen that. So whenever the numbers are consecutive numbers, we have to take the number as x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let the numbers be x plus 1 and x plus 2. So these are our numbers. Okay. So this already we are done in our previous class also. Consecutive numbers, whenever they are giving, you have to take it in this form. Now what they are telling, when they are taken in increasing order. So obviously they are in increasing order. X कम रहता है, x plus 1 उससे एक बड़ा number है, x plus 2 और बड़ा number है. So now they are in increasing order. So when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, the first one is multiplied by 2, second one is multiplied by 3, and the third one is multiplied by 4. They add up to 74. Okay, so when you are multiplying, so their sum is coming how much? 74. So you have to make equation here. You have to make the equation, and after making the equation, you have to solve it. Okay. So now what they are telling the first number So what is the first number here? X is the first number. That first number we are multiplying by 2 plus the second number x plus 1 that we are multiplying by 3 plus the third number. Third number what is there? X plus 2. That x plus 2 we are multiplying by 4. When you are multiplying and when you are adding them, their sum is coming 74. So this is the equation. Now this x plus 1 and x plus 2 we have to put it in brackets. ये दोनों जो number है, those numbers we have to put them in brackets. That is very important. Okay. So now solve this equation and find the value of x. Let's open the bracket. 2 into x you'll get 2x plus this is distributive property. ये 3 जो है उसको दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 into x you will get 3x plus 3 into 1 you will get 3 plus this 4 also you have to multiply to both the term. 4 into x you will get 4x plus 4 into 2 you will get 8 is equal to 74. Okay. So now we'll add the variables 2x, 3x, 4x. These are the variables and they are like terms. Okay, so we'll add them. 2 plus 3 you will get 5, 5 plus 4 you will get 9. So 9x plus this numbers also we will add here. So we are having 3 here and also we are having 8. So 8 plus 3 will get how much? 11. So on the LHS you will get 9x plus 11 is equal to 74. Then 9x is equal to how much? 74 minus 11. This plus 11 I am sending on the other side. It is becoming minus 11. So 9x is equal to 63. Then x is equal to 63 divided by 9. We will get 7. So very good. So now are they asking you to find the value of x? So obviously not. They are not asking you to find the value of x. They are asking you to find the numbers. And whatever those number, let the number be x. First number we are taking it as x. Second number we are taking it as x plus 1. The third number we are taking it as x plus 2. Okay. So you can find the number. First number is x, nothing but 7. And your second number is x plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 you will get 8. Directly I am writing 7 plus 1 you will get 8 and your third number is x plus 2, that is 7 plus 2 you will get 9. So these are the numbers 7, 8, 9. If you want you can cross check it. 7 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 8 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो and 9 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो and when you are adding them their sum should come how much? 74. You can cross check that answer also. Okay, जो भी आंसर रहते हैं आप उसको आने के बाद आप क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हैं. Today only few are online. I don't know why. Okay, fine. So let's go to the next question now. I hope everyone is clear with this question. Let's take the next question. So the next question they are given is ninth one. The ages of Rahul and Arun. Okay. Arun are in the ratio 5 is to 7. So the ages of Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5 is to 7. 4 years later, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their percentage? Okay, this is the question. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5 is to 7. So these ages are their percentage. इनका percentage दिया है. They are in the ratio of 5 is to 7. And after 4 years, the sum of their ages, 4 साल के बाद जो एज है उसको अगर ऐड किए तो what is happening? That is becoming 56. So now what they are asking you to find the percentage. So already I told whenever the ages are in the ratio or whenever the numbers are in the ratio, we have to take them as 5x and 7x. Whenever you are finding any ratios, you take it as 5x and 7x. So let Rahul's age be 5x and Harun's age be 7x. Okay. So this is their percentage. Rahul says we are taking it as 5x and Arun says we are taking it as 7x. So these are the present age of Arun's and Rahul's. Now after 4 years, what is happening? 4 साल के बाद अभी का एज आपका अगर 20 है तो 4 साल के बाद क्या हो जाएगा आपका एज इट विल बिकम 20 प्लस 4 24. Similarly, if it is 30, after 4 years your age will be 30 plus 4 34. Same way, if your present age is 5x, after 4 years it will be 5x plus 4. This will be your age after 4 years. So let's take Rahul's age after 4 years will be 5x plus 4. 4 साल के बाद उनका एज इट विल बी 5x plus 4. Same way, Arun's age after 4 years it will be 7x plus 4. Okay, this is the age of Rahul after 4 years, and this is the age of Arun after 4 years. So now, when you are adding these two ages, their sum is becoming how much? 56. So when you add 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, their sum is becoming how much? 56. So now you solve this equation, you will get the value of x, and after that you find the ages. Okay, so now you will get 5x plus 7x, you will get 12x plus 7 plus here 4 plus 4 you will get 8 is equal to 56. So 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. Then 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. Okay, so 12x is equal to 48. Then x is equal to 48 divided by 12. You will get 4. So the value of x you got it as 4. Now we should not find the value of x. What they are asking you to find the present age of Rahul and present age of Arun. So what is the present age of Rahul? We are taken the present age of Rahul as 5x, and same way we are taken the present age of Arun, we are taking it as 7x. So find the present age. So present age of Rahul, we are taking it as 5x, nothing but 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 is the present age of Rahul and present age of Arun. It will be 7x. Here you can see this is 7x. You will get 7 into 4, 28. So these are their percentage. अभी 4 साल के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? Rahul's age will be 24 and Arun's age will be 32. 24 plus 32, when you are adding how much you will get? You will get 56. So after getting answer, you can cross check whether they are correct or not. आंसर आने के बाद आप लोग चेक भी कर सकते हैं whether you got correct answers or not. Okay, so let's go to the next question. I hope everyone is clear with this question. It's a very easy question. So let's go to the next question. Question number 10. So the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7 is to 5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total sum? Okay. So let's take this one. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7 is to 5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength? Okay, this is the question. So whenever already we know, whenever we have any ratios questions, we have to take it as 7x and 5x. So now the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7 is to 5. So you can take it as 7x and 5x. Now the number of boys is 7 more than the number of girls. That means boys are more here. And how many are there? 8 more than the girls. 8 boys are more. Okay. So let's take the boys and girls here. Let the number of boys be 7x and number of girls be 5x. Now I have seen in the comment section one of you have written the number of girls as 5x and the number of boys as 7x. They are written it reversely. Okay. So somebody has written it reversely. Can we write it in the reverse? No, we cannot write it in reverse because here boys are more. That means we have to take 7x for boys only because when you multiply something with 7, you are going to get the bigger value. Okay, so obviously for boys you have to take it as 7x and for girls you have to take it 5x only because boys are more here. So now what they're telling, boys are 8 more than the number of girls. So that means boys कितने ज़्यादा है 8 ज़्यादा है. So when you take the difference between these two, so their difference should be how much 8 because अगर मान लो girls boys 40 है और girls 30 है. So how many boys are more here? 10 are more. And for that what we have to do? We have to take the difference between these two. So जब इन दोनों को subtract करेंगे, then we'll come to know how many boys are more. Same way what we are doing, we have to subtract here. 7x minus 5x. So then you will come to know how many boys are more here and how many boys are more here. 8 boys are more here. Okay. So now we got the equation. So after getting the equation, solve it. How much you will get? 7x minus 5x will get 2x is equal to 8. Then x is equal to 8 by 2. You will get 4. Now you have to find the total strength. And for finding total strength, you have to first find how many boys are there and how many girls are there, and you have to add them. So number of boys is how much? 7x, you'll get 7 into 2, you'll get 14. 14 boys are there. Now, number of girls, how many are there? 5x, that is 5 into 2, you'll get 10. So after finding number of boys and number of girls, we have to find the total strength. कितना total है? So your total strength will be how much? What is your total strength here? You have to add both boys and girls. कितना आएगा when you are adding? Sorry, I made a mistake here. It is 4. I am writing 2. Sorry. So the number was 4, 28, and here also 4. It should be 20. The value of x is 4, not 2. So I have taken denominator. Sorry for that. So it should be 4. The value of x we got it as 4. 7 into 4 and here 5 into 4. So when you are adding 28 plus 20, you will get 48. So the total strength of the class is 48. Okay, not 24, it is 48. I taken by mistakenly I taken x is equal to 2. Okay, so all of you go through this. If you have any doubt, let me know. And wait a minute, I'll post a attendance link. Just give me a minute. Okay, all of you mark your attendance and come back. Attendance link already I have posted. All of you mark your attendance and come back. So by the time I'll read the next question. So let's take the next question, question number 11. Okay, question number 11. Let's write that. It is a little bit longer question. It will take time. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Grandfather से 26 years कम है and 29 years older than Baichung. 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung से कितना बड़ा है? 29 years बड़ा है. So now the sum of ages of all three is 155, 135 years, not 155, 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? What is their age? So this is the question. So Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of their ages of find the sorry the sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is their ages? So now let's take one normal question. Suppose if you are having three people, you and your father and your grandfather. Okay. So according to this question, let's try to solve it one by one. Okay. So suppose if your age is 10. Now what is happening? Okay, and 29 years older than the Baichungs. So your father is what? Your father will be 29 years older than you. So it will be 10 plus 29 because he is 29 years older. Now, what is happening to the grandfather? Baichung father is 26 years older than your Baichung's grandfather. Okay, so Baichung father is 26 years younger than Baichung grandfather. That means when you add 26 year to the age of father, you are going to get the age of grandfather. So age of father is 10 plus 29. So to this, when you add 26, you are going to get the grandfather age. Okay. So now since we don't know what is your age, अगर आपका एज पता है तो क्या कर सकते हैं? क्या कर सकते हैं? We can find the remaining ages. अगर आपका एज पता है, then we can find the father age. Your father age will be 20 years more than you. Okay. अगर आपका father age पता है, by adding 26 to that, what will happen? You'll get the age of your grandfather. Okay. Since we don't know what is your age, we'll take that as x. Then your father's age will be x plus 29. And what will be your grandfather age? X plus 29 plus 26. This is your grandfather's age. Okay. So this is your father, your age. This is your father's age, and this is your grandfather age. Okay. So you can write here. Let Beichung's age be x. And then Beichung's father age will be what? X plus 29. Okay. Because 29 years older. Then Beichung's grandfather age will be what? X plus 29 plus, or let me write it downside. X plus 29 plus 26. How 26 years? Add करना है. So how much you will get when you simplify this? X plus 55. Because 29 and 26 we can simplify, you will get 55. Okay. So now when you add all these three ages, their ages is coming how much? Sum of their ages is 135. So when you are adding their ages is coming 135. Okay. So now your age is x, your father age is x plus 29 plus your grandfather age is x plus 55. So when you are adding these, you are getting the sum as 135. So you got the equation, solve it and find the value of x. X plus x you will get 3x plus 29 plus 55. Add it, how much you will get? 84 is equal to 135. So 29 plus 55, you will get 84. Okay. Now 3x is equal to 135 plus 84, it will become minus 84. Then 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. So how much you will get? 135 minus 84. Here it will be 1. Here it will be 5. So 55. X is equal to 51 divided by 3, you will get 17. So we got the value of x as 17. Now, what is the value? What is x? It is Baichung says. So x is equal to Baichung says. So that we got it as 17. So Baichung says will be how much? X will be how much? 17. And his father says will be what? X plus 29. So you'll get 17 plus 29. You are going to get the father age. And same way, grandfather age. What is the grandfather age? Grandfather age is x plus 55. So you had 17 plus 55. You are going to get the grandfather age. So just you add it, you'll get the values. Okay. So this is all the answer for the questions. So remaining questions, how many are there? Up to 11 we are done. 12. 12th one you can do it. It is similar questions to the previous one. 13th one, the rational numbers is there when they are multiplied. 13th one is also easy question. 14th, 15th, 16. 14, 15, 16. Why you are asking attendance link now? Already I have given in the beginning. Okay, wait, I'll give it. 14, 15, 16. These questions we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. So thank you all. I'm leaving 5 minutes early only. Those who are not filled your attendance, fill it. Once again, I'm giving the link. So all of you go and fill your attendance and come back. No need to come back, just exit here. So thank you all. So those who are not filled, I have given the link once again. So fill it. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.